Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to lock Google Chrome profile with password. So let's get started. First of all you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome right away and then search for Chrome Web Store. Just search for Chrome Web Store and go to the Chrome Web Store. And then from here you will see the extension search button. And from here you need to search for set password for browser. Search for it. And then you got our extension called set password for your browser Chrome lock. You need to select this and tap on the add to Chrome option. Then add extension, tap on that. And as you can see, it is asking me to write down my password. Like I will go with 12345 and hit OK. Alright, then OK, and it will close the Google Chrome. Then let's just open it again, and as you can see, it is asking me to type my password. So I will go with like 12345 and hit OK. So then we can access our Google Chrome profile. So that's how we can easily add the password into the Google Chrome. So if you just want to disable the password, what you can do is simply go with the extension option right over here, and then you will see the extension right now. Then you need to pin this like this and then right click on the, then what you can do is simply go with the options, tap on the option, and from here you need to disable. From here you can just simply disable it. Click here to enable, disable. So rather than that, you can simply, if you just want to remove the password, you can simply just go right click and remove from Chrome and again remove, and it will be removed your password right away. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.